My name is Olga Vanbergen, and I'm working as a sales manager for the ferry company called Tallink and Silja line. So we are the biggest and the oldest ferry operator in the northern part of the Baltic Sea. So we joined the happy family of ETOA. We have been enjoying wonderful cooperation. This type of buyers that we meet here, it's not very often that you can meet in other events, so we have been very, very happy about this. The Nordic Marketplace is the specific event which was the first one of its kind, I think, to be concentrated on us people from the north of Europe, where we are not talking separately about the Scandinavia or Finland or the Baltic countries, but we bring all the suppliers in one piece. I have seen the buyers who have been selling Europe and other destinations, and they came to this event because we are all Nordic people are together, and they started being interested and having a lot of customers in our region. So definitely I'm looking forward to the next events. We have had now 2 online events on the internet, and now the live one is coming in February in Copenhagen. First time for me I heard about GEM was maybe 5 years ago. Such a diverse selection of the buyers here. So basically we meet the whole world. So especially for the companies who sell globally, you meet the buyers from Americas throughout the Europe and Middle East and all the way to Asia Pacific. So it's the place to be, I would say. Oh, that has been another super busy and super exciting day. I am always wondering how the combination of the old and new are coming to my list, but always it's a good chance to say hi to the people whom I haven't seen in 2.5 years. And also I've had completely new names. I heard yesterday the briefing that there are 150 new buyers. So I think I've met a couple of them today, and still we're halfway over a day, so still looking forward for my next appointment.